In this episode of When Nature Finds Its Way, we see a butterfly engaged with a wolf spider. Oh god, I'm falling down into the... Oh god, I've fallen down into the action.
Rocky.
Alright, here we go.
So I
Wolf
saw a
spider.
stinger on that one.
Oh. Wolf spider, the butterfly is attempting to freeze the wolf spider. Oh, as long as the wolf spider does not make eye contact on me. See an ant, a tiny worker ant has engaged in battle. He is damaged. The butterfly is down. A second butterfly has come in. Oh, a second butterfly has engaged. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Except that there's
What will go on? What will be the tragic fate here?
Okay, apparently we did too good and now I can't play with you.
The wolf spider is down. I repeat, the wolf spider is down.
Did you at least get a hit on it?
No, I totally killed the wolf spider, actually. Oh no, I totally got taken out by a fucking butterfly, though.
I'm helpless here.
Oh my god.
Well, this is fucked.
Alright, well, let me restart the game, Mark. I'm gonna restart anyways. Oh, I'm stuck in place. Oh, the game is...